Hello viewers and welcome to the last session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. Previously, we have covered detailed 2D lectures and exercises. Now, we will have a slight taste of 3D modeling as well. For that, first we have to change our workspace from drafting to 3D modeling. Now, I will create a piston head. For that, I have taken a polyline, turned on the ortho, and now I will draw a specific structure. In AutoCAD 3D modeling, the mostly used commands for 3D modeling are extrude, press pull, revolve, and sweep, etc. I will use very basic and simple commands. First, I will sketch one part, then I will revolve it to 360 degrees so that I get an outer casing of a piston head. So, the sketch is complete. I will simply select it and join it. Now, I will use the revolve command and give these axes as the center of revolution and give 360 degrees so that I get a complete view. Let's move it to realistic view and orbit it all along. You can hold the shift key along with the middle mouse button and move the cursor to orbit it. Let's isolate and hide this object to avoid any confusion. Now I will create another sketch. Again, I have used polyline, started from 0, 0, and then I will draw this entire geometry. Once this geometry is completed, I will join it and revolve it again so that we get two revolve 3D models on top of each other. The reason to do is that first we created the outer casing of a piston head. Now I am creating a hollow for the inside. Let's trim this unnecessary line. Then I will join it and revolve it to 360 degrees. The only purpose of this complete practice is that I will subtract the inner model from the outer model so that we get an exact piston head representation. It is not a precise model, it is just to give you a slight taste of AutoCAD 3D modeling. Now you can see we have both models ready. So we will select the first one and subtract the second one from it. In this way, a model of piston head has been formed. You can orbit it and view it from different angles as well. Well, in my opinion, I do not recommend Autodesk AutoCAD for 3D modeling. However, there are parallel programs of Autodesk that are best for 3D modeling, like 3D Max and Revit, etc. I would highly recommend all of you take those courses and pursue them for 3D modeling. I hope that you have learned a lot in this session. Best of luck for your future. Take care.